Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing another Splendies package. So let's get in and let's get into the review. Alright guys, welcome back. So for those of you who know and follow me, we're going to be reviewing another Splendies package. If you don't know, if you haven't followed me, welcome to the channel if you haven't. Splendies is a monthly subscription to undies. So if you wanted to get a fresh pair or keep your collection fresh, this is the subscription box for you. I actually prefer getting unique subscription boxes than getting a ton of beauty boxes because, you know, we always need something new and fresh, especially with our clothing and undies. So this one is for you. This one is $14.99 a month, and I believe it goes all the way up to 4X from what I understand, but you can check out their website. And of course, if you're watching this on my blog, or if you look at the link underneath the video, you guys will see that there is actually a 50% off coupon going on right now. So definitely check that out so you can save some cash on your first order. But every month, basically, it comes in a discreet package just like this. And that's what I love about it, because nobody really knows what that is unless you simply, if you're a postal person and you're gonna Google it, but nobody knows what this little package is, so it's totally discreet. And what they do is they put it in a little tissue burrito. So you get a package with different colored tissue paper each time you get a package, and it usually comes at the end of the month. It kind of depends on when you're billed, but normally I get it at the end of that month when they're supposed to be billing. So I know that we're in April, but this is the package for March. So again, this is what it looks like, and you see it has that little sticker there. So let's see what the package is. And now if you have like a daughter in your house, or if you have to, what I normally do is I actually share the subscription with my daughter. So she takes a look to see what comes in, and then I take a look. We grab our favorites. There's 3 in each package. So you kind of, you know, take turns or whatever. And if you have to change the size for the next month, you always can, and go back to the size that you need it to be. All right, so we have 3 little goodies here. So let me just briefly show you. So you see we have teal, we have purple, and we have white. So let me see and break down what these are. All right, so this here, the first one is actually the white one. So it says it's from Yomita underwear. So this is what it looks like here. So this seems to be like kind of like, not like the, well, it seems like a waist cincher. It doesn't say, oh, it's cotton spandex. So that's what it says there. But it seems like it's like tight. Like this is the type of undies that you want to put under like tight jeans to keep yourself all in one place. So this is definitely firm. I've never gotten anything like this before from the company, so this is pretty cool that we get to get something like that. So that is that, and you can see it's not see-through. It's very thick, so I think that is definitely awesome and worth it, because usually we get like lacies like these. They're usually like see-through or something like that, which I love, but this is totally different, so that's cool. And then the next one also is from Yomita underwear. So this here, let me get them together so you guys can take a look and see. So this one is, like I said, this one is more so of a purplish color, and as you can see there, the details are totally lace. And then this is probably spandex. Let me see if I can tell. I can't tell, but I think this is really, really pretty. So I definitely will get, I've always gotten use out of the undies. And then here it's just clear. It's not clear, but the sides are see-through, and then the middle is not see-through. So that's pretty cool. All right, so we have that. And then, like I said, initially we have, again from Yomita, these are actually teal, and it's super all see-through. So there you go. And that's what that is here. And these are really, really pretty. You see there, it's lace on the top, and the entire undie is actually lace. So these are pretty. All right, so let's do a recap and see what we got in this package for March. So first, like you said, we got, and they were all from the same company. They were from Yomita. Hope I'm saying that right. But first we have our teal see-through undies. So we have that. And then we also have our purple semi see-through undies. And then we have our white ones, which, like I said, these are really, really tight. So assuming it's to keep all your good stuff in one place. So maybe if you have like some tight jeans or tight shorts on, your stuff is in place. All right, so what did you guys think about this month's package? I definitely love it. I love Splendies. It's like my favorite. I think I've had this for almost about a year now, and as you can see, it's been a year later and I still keep this one. So definitely don't miss out. There is a 50% off coupon underneath the video, so you guys can check that out. But definitely let me know in the comment section below how you guys are doing. I know we're all probably like in a, you know, we're all in the same situation, so definitely let me know how you guys are doing. And with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Stay healthy and stay blessed. Have a good day, guys.